My ex wouldn't stop coming over. Even after I told him we were done, he'd show up uninvited, let himself in, and act like it was still his place. One day, I noticed my cat really hated him, would hiss, growl, even try to block the doorway when he came over. So I had an idea. Next time he dropped by, I gave my cat a little encouragement and left the front door wide open. As soon as he walked in, my cat launched at his leg like a furry missile. He screamed, slipped on the mat, and ran out like he saw a ghost. That was 3 months ago. He hasn't been back since.